Today is day one of designing this smart bike. So this is the smart bike system, and we also have the parachute deploy mechanism here. We are going to use a can of compressed gas, and we're going to use motors to press this trigger in order to deploy this parachute that is encased in this cone type tube. And then there's going to be a cover here, and this is also going to be controlled by the servo. As for the smart bike system, there is a LCD. We are planning to use 24 to 9 LCD instead, just to display more information. There's ultrasonic distance sensor, which is going to be in. There's PIR sensor as well, which are going to be used for human detection and obstacle detection. This Arduino is going to contain a GPS module for GPS tracking, and there is temperature sensor, and a standard speaker is included for notification. There is a Hall effect sensor, which is going to be used to detect RPM and speed. And there's going to be a magnet attached to the front wheel of the bike. The whole thing is going to be modeled on Fusion 360, which means that they're going to be printed in casing, 3D printed. And that's it. I just ordered these products on SparkFun. It costs quite a much, but yeah. So I got a toggle switch and a pot, buttons, shift register, micro SD, a new Arduino Uno, an LCD GPS logger, so I can use that as a speedometer. There's breadboard and enclosure and PIR sensor as well. Yep. And it costed $194. If you just look at it on Amazon for a speedometer, bruh, $29. I'm paying like 10 times more than this just to make this thing on Arduino. Crap. This is my workspace. Trying to figure something out. Going to use this headlight. We're gonna attach the enclosure, aluminum enclosure, on top of this mount, so we can actually put it on the handle of the bike. We're gonna use a 9-volt battery to power up the speedometer and GPS tracker. That's it. We're gonna use Arduino Uno once again, and there is going to be a person detection mode, which basically warns the user that someone is in front of the bike and it's moving. So it basically detects that and lets the user know the distance between the bike and that person. So yeah, it's just a cool safety feature. All I gotta do is get the items, solder, and make the enclosure, and then got a code, and it's gonna be hard, but we're gonna do it. Peace out.